Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to merge objects in Inkscape. Okay, so on default we have here a cube. First we need to do is add a new object. So in object mode we need to click on add, then I go to mesh, and here we have a lot of really different shapes. For example, I will select here cone. Now we need to press G and Z from your keyboard. You will be able to change position of your object. For example, it will look like that. Okay, and now like you see we have here two objects. We have cone and we have cube here. So if you would like to merge these objects, we need to select both of them. And now we need to click Ctrl and J, and after that our objects will be successfully merged. Like you see, one from the object has disappeared here, and we have only cone object, which is merge object. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.